Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State has asked the People's Democratic Party to apologize to Nigerians following a controversial comment by the party's presidential candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. It will be recalled that Atiku, during an interactive session with the Arewa Joint Committee in Kaduna, advised the audience against voting for an Igbo or Yoruba presidential candidate. Atiku, a northerner from Adamawa State, said the northerners need someone from their region to become the next president. The All Progressives Congress Presidential Campaign Council has condemned the comment by the PDP flag bearer Atiku Abubakar, encouraging northerners to snub Igbo and Yoruba candidates in the 2023 election. The council described Atiku's remark as an insightful and a true reflection of his intentions for Nigerians. Still, Atiku, the presidential candidate, has called on President Buhari to call political parties and their members to order to ensure violence-free campaigns and elections. Atiku made this call following reports of the invasion of the rally ground of the PDP in Kaduna by armed men. Election Petition Tribunal, hearing the petition of the candidate of APC in the June 16 Osun governorship poll, Adegboyega Oyetola, against the victory of the PDP Senator Ademola Adeleke, has said it will sit for 6 hours daily. The panel, which said its sitting will commence by 10 a.m. and end by 4 p.m. from Monday to Thursday, also noted that on Fridays, proceedings would end by 1 p.m. Delivering the pre-hearing report of the panel at the proceedings, which lasted about 30 minutes on Monday, the tribunal chairman, Justice Tarsir Kume, also said the panel might sit on Saturdays or on public holidays if necessary. President Buhari says the federal government under his watch has sustained commitment to infrastructural development for the past 7 years. President Buhari has declared open the last ministerial performance review retreat of his administration, saying high-impact projects have been implemented across the country, meeting the yearnings and aspirations of Nigerians. Zamfara state government has shut down 3 television stations and an FM radio station. The affected media stations are the Nigerian Television Authority, Gamji TV, Al-Ummah TV, and Pride FM Radio, all in Gusau, the state capital. In a radio broadcast, the State Commissioner for Information, Ibrahim Dusara, said the media houses were shut down for allegedly violating professional ethics. Ekiti State Governor Biodun Oyebanji has directed the freezing of the state government accounts immediately. This is coming hours after he was sworn in as the state governor at the Ekiti Parapo Pavilion at Do-Ekiti. The former governor of Imo State, Emeka Ihedioha, has accused the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, of being behind a purported letter demanding that Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, not be released. Since the release of Nnamdi Kanu, members of the IPOB have expressed their joy. What is your take on the release of Nnamdi Kanu?